Alright guys, so I am sorry that I have been jumping around so much lately with the projects. All the ones that are going on currently are about to be finished up. Um, Tomorrow I should hopefully get a lot of stuff done. I have a battery for the Predator. I just gotta put the acid in the battery and put it on a slow charge. So I'll maybe do that tonight, if not tomorrow. I'll probably let it charge overnight, actually. Well, like 6 hours or something. And it'll probably be longer than that. But anyways, so that's the deal with the Predator. I got the scrambler plastics right here, which I want to try and wrap them tomorrow. Okay, I really do. I got my buddy coming over, so the buddy that actually just bought the Honda. I just delivered that last night. So he's gonna come over tomorrow and like later in the night. So anyways, for the boat motor here, the one that I did everything to, that's the one I just painted. That one's the 1975. This one's the 1973. So looking up here, this is the whole stator and everything. And on the inside, you have your points. Well, when I was taking it apart, I didn't really know what I was doing. I've never touched a boat motor before. Until that one, but I didn't do any work to that one. And then I had this one, which was seized up. So it's like, all right, let's completely tear it down. And I got it all back together now, and it has good compression, but no spark. Like you guys saw in the other clip that I was trying to diagnose it. So there's 4 screws. You can see the 2 right there, that one and that one, that adjust your points. This one has points, and on this one, I wonder if I can actually find a video, but I know that the points are supposed to be set at 0.02, so you need a feeler gauge to set that. Well, when I had those screws out, like the points are way off. Like that is a big gap, and this one's even worse. You guys can see that, like it's horrible. So that's definitely why it doesn't have spark, or at least definitely where I need to start, and then just go from there. Because I looked up on the forums, and they said, well, first of all, check your points for sure. And I don't know, I think they even cleaned up their contacts. I'm not 100% sure on that. But then one of them said that the wires get rotten and don't work right, I guess, which it could only be these ones right here, because that's all for the stator, and these ones just go from here to here. So I think that those are fine. Like, I don't see anything wrong with them besides, unless from age. But I mean, like this thing was really nice before I painted it. Like it didn't need much. Like the stickers were really nice. Like that's all original stickers. But on this one, well, besides the sticker down here, I repainted the whole cover for that one. That's on the other side of the garage. But I gotta start with the points, and fingers crossed. I feel like that's gonna be the spark problem, because it's not picking up a signal when it's spinning right now. So I really feel like that's gonna fix it. And then if that's the case, then it should be ready to fire up, because this carburetor, wait, what was the deal? Wait, I want to say both of them work, because I had, yeah, okay, so this is how it went. I had that one, and at first, a few months ago, probably even before I painted it, I wanted it to run at least. So when I had the fuel hooked up and trying to start it, the carburetor was leaking from the bowl. So I took it off, and I put this carburetor on there and put it on there, and it was perfect. And it fired up, but I didn't run it long at all, like probably like 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And that was it. And then I repainted the whole thing and everything. And then I took the one with the leaky bowl and rebuilt it and put it back on that one because it was sitting so long and the bowl gasket was cracked in half. And so then the carburetor's back on this one. So I know that this carburetor works because it ran that one. So as long as I have spark, it should be good to go. And then the only thing that'll concern me, well, then I'll for sure know that they both run. And then the only concerning thing is, wait, what's going on here? Then the only concerning thing is the lower units, because I rebuilt both of them and I have no idea what I'm doing, but it just seemed right. And if one's wrong, then they're both wrong. But I don't know, I'm not too worried. I feel like I did it right, you know, confident in yourself. So keeping the positive feels going. So tomorrow I'll set the points, check for spark, have spark. Okay, maybe that's a little too confident, but it's definitely a possibility that it'll be as simple as that. And then, you know, obviously make sure it runs, and once it runs, then I'll probably actually get this all set up. Lower unit back on it, gear oil in both the lower units, just so that the motors are fully ready to go. You know, put the gas tank in here, the battery in here. Oh, and then when my buddy comes over too, I'm gonna have him help me run lights in it. And then I'll have a circuit in it and hook it to the battery. You'll see, it'll make sense when I get there. And then, guys, exciting news. Finally, after, it's gotta have been 6 months since I made a video, I'm picking up the frame and everything from the powder coating place tomorrow. So the guy, he works construction and he's never in town at all. Like, he's been out of state the past few weeks and just doesn't have time to go and get the stuff that's been done for a few weeks now. And he's like, he just hit me up this week. He's like, hey, it's done, I can pay for it, can you go get it though? I'll even give you a little extra on the side. And I was like, well, what are their hours? I was like, okay, well, I work their hours. And then it's like, wait, Labor Day weekend's coming up. Oh, we're taking Friday off of work? Okay, bet. I'll go get the stuff. So you guys will be seeing the Banshee coming together and the garage cleaned up. So look forward to that. That is happening tomorrow. Probably tomorrow morning. I want to get it early, but knowing me, probably won't actually get out of bed because, you know, I'm kind of lazy. So at some point. So I for sure want to wrap the boat up because, you know, obviously that takes a lot of room. And then I'll have everything for the Banshee to get it back together, which is going to be a headache because I won't know what's going on. But it'll be nice to have the boat out of here. Or I'll for sure pull it out, even if it's not done. Just so I can have all of this room right here to work on that. And I really want to try and get this done. So I have all day tomorrow. Saturday I'm busy. But then I have Sunday and Monday, which Monday will be my birthday. But I gotta get the Banshee done. Hopefully as soon as possible, and hopefully I won't run into any problems. I mean, it's just, you know, a simple carbureted 2-stroke. Like, you're looking at the wiring harness right there. So it's pretty straightforward, I'd imagine. But again, it's been so long, so I have no idea how it goes back together anymore. And I don't know, he has all sorts of stuff. Like, he said that he had a rear end too. He bought a whole new rear end. So I don't know what the deal is, but if I don't have it, I'm just going to put that one back in it because, you know, that's just how it's going to go. So just trying to get everything wrapped up, guys. Scrambler plastics, hopefully tomorrow. Like, I want to get a lot of stuff done tomorrow, like scrambler plastics, boat motors. I'll probably even look at the wheel bearings on the trailer. I'll get the spare tire cover on, the sticker, the license plate, like all the stuff that I've been saying that I haven't gotten to yet. Like I want to get to it, get it done, and get it out of here. Like here's the boat stuff right here. I want to get the boat fully together, and guys, maybe even test it out on the water. Like, well, as long as that one has spark, because, you know, I figure I might as well take it out once, test it all out, make sure that everything's good to go. And unfortunately, might have to see what I can get for, as sad as it is, but, you know, just to clear up some room and, you know, have some budget for the next builds that are soon to come, I'll say. But oh, and then also one thing for the Predator, it's also having the plastics fully redone again, because I mean, I guess they're fine. They're actually holding up better than I thought, honestly. I'm definitely gonna clean her up. Like I'm embarrassed to show you guys this. She is filthy, but I mean, they're actually holding up all right. But I think I showed you guys the one spot it wore down right there. So I just want to do another coat of black all over them and keep this as a base, and then do a graphics kit. And then another new battery, the custom skid plate, might figure out how to mount the hand guards, got to finish the hood. Yeah, that's about it. I noticed my coolant's low too for some reason. I wonder what that's all about. But anyways, that's just a whole update for you guys. I just got a lot going on. That's why you guys get quite a bit of updates. But I just got to get all this stuff wrapped up down here so I can move on to bigger things soon to come, guys. I got some plans, and I need this stuff done because I have, you know, just look at all the projects I have going on. So you can see why I need to get this done to put all my time into the next build. So, guys, I'm trying, but I'm going to try and wake up bright and early tomorrow and get on to working on some things. I'll figure it out. I'll probably start on the trailer, actually. I'll look for a feeler gauge too, but I might just have to ask my dad about that. But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one.